Shalom. Barak Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Kadash. All praises and glories definitely do, especially in the times we're living in. Much honors and respect to the apostles and others of Great Millstone, and to all the brothers out there doing this work in sincerity and truth, rightfully dividing the word of truth. I say Shalom. All right. Wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of thy times. All right, this is Isaiah 33 and 6. And strength of salvation. All right. So you need these things. All right, to get through Jacob's trouble. All right, where all hell is about to break loose here. All right. And on top of, Jacob's trouble, or within it, you have the MOTB, the Charagma. You'll have World War III. You have the famine. All right, so you're going to have a lot of things happening here. And a lot of things are taking place right now, people. All right, and it's just going to get worse and heighten itself. All right. Okay, so fear of the Lord is his treasure. And if you're looking for wisdom and you seek wisdom, it all starts with fear of the Lord. All right, you can go to Proverbs 9 and 10, and a precept to that would be Proverbs 4 and 7. All right, and that should get you started on your way. All right, we're going to go to the blue letter. Give me a minute. Well, I figure we'll start here in Google first with the definition of stability, and then we'll get to the blue letter. All right, run through this real quickly here. All right, stability, definition. All right, firmness, solidity, steadiness, strength, fastness, stoutness, security, safety, balance, mental health, all right, soundness, as in a sound doctrine, Yahweh Bashim, Yahweh Shai's doctrine, rationality, reasoning, okay, lucidity, sense, sanity. You see that? And many people already losing it. And we're just at the beginning of sorrows of Jacob's trouble here. All right? Durability. All right? What's going to give you that? That wisdom and knowledge, right? Shall be the strength of your salvation. The wisdom and knowledge of what? Of the scriptures. All right? See, reliability, dependability. All right? All right, that's your covering. All right? Being, in the sanctuary of the Lord. All right, give me a minute. All right, here we are in the blue letter. Let's go to stability here in the blue letter. And as you can see, right? Firmness, fidelity, right? Which, by the way, gets into fealty. And I'm going to show you something about that. All right, steadfastness, steadiness, right? You see that? In what? Steadfastness, right? Fidelity, which also gets into the word fealty, right? Which means loyalty. Unto what? Your faith. Okay? Your faith. Your stability in the faith. Your steadfastness in the faith. Now, we're going to jump to a couple of other words here we're going to look up. But you know what? We'll come back. All right? Give me a minute. All right, this is Revelation 3 and 10, all right? We're going to get back to it, all right, because we want to look up some other words. But Revelation 3 and 10, to get into, holding your ground, being steadfastest in the faith, all right? What does it say here? Because thou hast kept the word of my patience, right? These scriptures, all right? No words. You're absorbing them, all right? And you're keeping them, all right? The commandments as best you can under the circumstances of our captivity, all right? For us Negro, Latinos, and Native Americans that make up 12 tribes. I will also keep you from the hour of temptation, that hour of temptation meaning the MOTB, okay? All right, the Charagma, all right? Which shall come upon the whole world, and try them that dwell upon the earth. You see that? Do you understand? Okay? And all these things have to take place. Now, let's go to the word temptation, because that's the key here, is temptation. All right? Showing you that this is all a test.
Strong's G 3986, Pyrasmas. Pyrasmas.
And this is a test from the Most High to prove your faith, people. So we're going to go right to the key points here. B, the trial of man's fidelity, right? See that? Fidelity, right? Which also means fealty, loyalty. See? Integrity, virtue, constancy. We already read some of these words. Okay? All right? Let's jump down right here. Verse 4. Okay? Number 4. Adversity, affliction, trouble, right? As in Jacob's trouble. Look at this. Sent by the Most High and serving to test or to prove one's character, faith, or holiness. See that? See that? Do you understand? Now, okay. Let me give you some more. We're going to scroll up here to the top. Hit root etymology. All right. You see what it says here? All right. To try and make trial or test for the purpose of ascertaining, right, his quality, a person's quality, or what that person, what they think, or how they will behave themselves under what? Under the fire of adversity. All right? Verse C. To try or test one's faith, virtue, character by enticement to sin. As Esau dangles the carrot, which is the MOTB, the Karama, which, again, like the ICBM missiles and like anything else, it's really from the Lord, all right, to test you, to test your faith, all right? See, of the Most High to inflict evils upon one in order to prove his character and steadfastness in the faith. You see that? You understand? All right? All right, give me a minute. All right, we'll end it here, and we'll be right back with part 2. Shalom.